Hey, I'm Dr. Brett Berner with Foundation Chiropractic, and today I'm going to talk about how to use your head weight. Alright, so we're going to start with going over what normal is of the spine. Now, our spine needs to be nice and straight front to back, correct? But also 3 curves on the side with the ear evenly over the shoulder. We want to stand just like this with the ear comfortably over the shoulder. Now, according to research, every inch that your ear is going over your shoulder adds 10 extra pounds of pressure on top of the spine. This leads to arthritis, degeneration of the spine, and a horrible granny hump, a dowager hump that forms. So what we do is foundational correction and moving the spine to normal, and we support this with at-home equipment such as our head weight. So the head weight essentially goes on the front part of the head. So remember when we were kids with backpacks on, the backpack would be on the back and we would lean forward, so kind of like a seesaw. If we put this on our head on the front, just like this, we want to have it kind of at an angle, make sure it's velcroed and nice and snug, not loose. If it's too loose, it's going to pull down and it's going to do the opposite, it's going to bring you forward. If we angle it by the hairline, my body will naturally fight that weight and bring the head back, strengthening up these muscles and just developing a better posture with this device. Now you want to start with about 5 to 10 minutes every single day and work up to an hour per day. Now you want to do this every single day. Start with 1 to 5 minutes if you can handle that, and slowly increase to 1 hour. You can watch TV, you can work at your desk, just never when you're driving or when you're doing chores and moving your neck around. We want to be nice and stationary, not moving, and just allow your neck muscles to fire and do their job. Now afterwards, you may feel a little sore because we're activating these muscles that are very, very weak. So use a heating pad at least 30 minutes or prior to use and or after, as long as you're getting that heat, that circulation, it's gonna help out the body heal and reduce that soreness. So the head weight is 1 pound only, but use it every day and it really does support the care that we do. Once again, I'm Dr. Brett Berner with Foundation Chiropractic, how to use your head weight.